guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a lip product review for you guys. I'm super excited to be trying this product out with you guys. I believe there are 2 lip glosses in here. So if you guys are interested in seeing which colors I got, and if you're interested in seeing me swatch them and create lip combos with these lip glosses, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm super excited to be testing out these glosses. I've actually never tried half-caked glosses. I've only ever tried their contour product. I believe it was a face palette that I had received and I absolutely loved it, you guys. I've shared it in a few videos in the past, so definitely check those out. I'll have them linked up here and also down below in the description box. So I'm really excited to see how I like their glosses. So I am on their website and each lip gloss retails for $14 and they have about 11 shades. There's a mix of tints and a mix of glitters. It says here that this product gives fuller hydrated lips in a tube, and it says that it's comfortable, long lasting, and it smells like strawberries and cream. So I am so excited to smell this product. There is also a pro tip on their website which says that this could be used on its own or as a lip topper. So I'm super excited to try them as both and see how I like it. So here are the 2 colors I got. I got this beautiful like iridescent white shimmer, and this one is called Crystal Baller. And I also got this beautiful light baby pink, almost like a rose gold gloss. This one also has shimmer in it, and this one is called Mesmerize. I'm super excited to give these a try. I'm gonna take off my lipstick and I want to try these on their own, and then I want to try them as a lip topper. I want to go in with Crystal Baller, but first let's swatch it. I feel like I'm really gonna love these glosses as a topper. I'm so excited to see the formula. Do you guys see that? Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Look at that beautiful shine, you guys. Do you see that? This has beautiful glow to it, and the shimmer is everything. This has a really subtle tint. I would say it's clear, but it does have like that subtle kind of silvery white tint, which I think is beautiful. Wow, this is so fun, and you guys, this stuff smells amazing. It smells like the berries and cream that they stated on their website. It smells really, really good. It smells really delicious, so I love that. I don't think I would wear this gloss on its own. It's definitely not my vibe, but definitely on top of a lipstick or with some lip liner, I think I would definitely like it. So let's try it out. So quickly, I want to line my lips with my Wet n Wild lip liner. I want to go in with a nice soft pink, so I'm going to go in with Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Now to go on top with Crystal Baller. I'm so excited to see how this looks. Wow, this looks so beautiful as a lip topper, you guys. I definitely love it. I think the gloss is really nice. It's really nice and shiny and glowy, and the shimmer looks really nice on the lips. It doesn't look too intense and sparkly, but it's giving a really nice glow to the lips, which I love. The subtle tint of the gloss also adds a nice look to the lips. So as I'm moving around, you can see the different tones in the sparkle, and I think that just looks absolutely beautiful. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Mesmerize. Look at that. It actually doesn't look as pink as it does on the bottle. Like on my skin when it's swatched, it looks more clear and almost like a subtle light gold in there. I want to compare it to Crystal Baller. So here's Crystal Baller, which is definitely more of like a cooler toned gloss, and it does have like the white sparkle in it and almost like blue. I feel like I see a little bit of blue and purple almost in here, like really light purple and blue, whereas this one actually is starting to look pretty much clear compared to this one. This one doesn't really have much of a tint. Another thing I want to mention about these glosses is that I feel like they have really good moisture and hydration, which is always good. So let's pop this color on. Let's pop on Mesmerize on the lips, and then we'll try a lip combo. Another thing I want to point out about the formula of these glosses is that the formula is thin. Like, it's not super thick. I've used a lot of glosses and lip oils that have like a thicker consistency, but this one is pretty thin, which is really nice. It's good as like a lip topper. It's good if you don't want too much heavy product on the lips, so you can get a really nice lip look with a thin layer of product, which is always nice. So that is something different that I'm noticing about this. All right, let's try a lip look with Mesmerize. I'm going back in with the same Wet n Wild lip liner. I'm gonna go in with a nude. This is Nude Cape by Charlotte Tilbury. Just going back in with lip liner to add a little bit more dimension to the lips. And I'm gonna go in with Mesmerize. Here is Mesmerized applied with a lip combo, and honestly, all I'm really seeing is really nice shine on the lips. I feel like I'm not seeing too much of the shimmer. That could also be because the Nude K lipstick and the tone of this are kind of similar, so maybe it's just kind of blending in. But I mean, you guys saw the swatch on my hand. It was quite clear. The shimmer wasn't really there, but overall, I still think this is a beautiful lip topper. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Definitely tied the lip look together, and yeah, I think it's gorgeous. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it for my review on the Half Caked Instant Crush glosses. Overall, I would say these are really nice. I'm definitely a fan. I would have to say between the two, I definitely like this one more. This one is Crystal Baller because I feel like you could see the sparkle more, and I liked the tint. I feel like it added a really nice iridescent look to the lips, which is different from something that I already have in my collection. I think these glosses are so fun because you can elevate any lip look, and you can also use these every day for like a no makeup day for nice hydration on the lips. So definitely I'm a fan. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried these glosses, and let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like them? Do you not like them? That is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video useful in me showing you the swatches and the try on as well as the lip combos. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it beneficial. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.